I had little time to prepare, but I feel like this day is really this day is very, very special para sa akin because today, mag-unbox tayo ng something na talagang tagal-tagal ko na guys na gustong ma-achieve. For me, it's a really, really big thing. Means na nagbunga talaga yung ating pinaghirapan dito sa channel na to. So today, wala na maligoy-ligoy pa guys. Today, I will be unboxing my silver play button. I really don't know kung anong sasabihin ko today, but super thank you talaga ako for all the support that you've given me on this channel. Sa lahat na nagtitiwala. So, I want to unbox this together with you guys. And as we go along, gusto kong i-address yung mga personal and sensitive na mga aspects. And then, after that, I'm going to talk a little bit about the giveaway natin. Oh my gosh, nanginginig yung boses ko guys sa excitement. And at the same time, it's super not scripted. I did not really prepare much for this video. I just want to unbox this together with you guys. So, pasensya na kayo if medyo Tagalog, English, baka may lumusot na Ilonggo, basta. Okay. Hindi ko na alam yung sasabihin ko. Basta thank you lang talaga. Sige, i-unbox na nga natin to guys. I'm really very thankful for all the support. And sa lahat ng mga bashers na nagsasabi, ang arte-arte ko daw, yung ganon. Hindi raw ako makarelate sa mga situation. Well, you're wrong. At I don't know what to say to the bashers because kahit ano man yung sabihin ko, you guys will always find something negative to say. So, bahala na kayo sa gusto nyong paniwalaan. But, kasi yung focus ko na lang is for those na yung talaga mga open-minded at always na gustong matuto. And, gusto ko rin humingi ng paumanhin guys sa yung mga comments na hindi ko nasasagot because first of all, baka yung nag-comment ka, I'm not online because as you can see, nagtatrabaho rin ako sa gabi. Kaya baka tulog ako, so hindi ko siya napansin. Or, yung second naman is because, I have no idea yet. I don't know how to handle, I don't know how to address such comment. And as you can see guys, if you've been on this channel for so long now, as you can see, I can only share. You all got, mga totoo kong supporters, you know this, I can only share what I have experienced. So, kung alam ko yung sagot, then I will give my answers. But if not, I would rather not say anything yet kaysa magbigay ako ng wrong information at umasa lang kayo sa maling information. So, I'm really very sorry if there are questions na hindi ko ma-address, but those are my two main reasons for that. Okay, alam niyo naman guys na yung totoong objective natin dito is to learn. Yung talagang yung pagiging madiskarte is yung talagang making sure that what we learn from, online loan apps, yung mga ganito sa pag-uutang, we want to break the stigma na just because may utang ka, it means malas ka na talaga sa buhay or masyado ka ambisyosa, you want to achieve something na hindi mo kaya. No, it's not like that. Let's break the stigma ng pag-uutang. There's nothing wrong sa pag-uutang as long as alam mo yung paano to gamitin, you're using it to achieve your goals, diba? Whatever it is, I'm not judging. So, basta yung importante is nahahandle siya. And this, of course, guys, dito sa channel na to, yung objective natin is using loan apps to our advantage. So, mas gusto kong mag-focus sa positive, guys, because I've been there. Dati walang-wala ako. Wala talaga ako, guys, mautangan. Kahit na hate ko yung home credit during that time sa laki ng kanyang interest, but wala akong choice, but hate it or love it, if you are a good payer, nakakatulong po siya. And also, at that time, wala kasi ako mapuntahan. Kaya nga nakilala ko itong mga loan apps na to because I myself needed rin humiram. And yung mga na-learn ko sa paggamit ng online, ginamit ko siya talaga guys to improve my lifestyle, to improve my situation, imbis na isipin ko yung negative stuff about them. So that is what I want to share with you all. Going back to unboxing kasi daldal ako ng daldal. Gusto ko yung dapat kasi nag-unbox. Imagine, dalawang tape pa lang yung nagupit ko guys. Anyways, and also I just want to make things clear na as you can also see, I really want to grow this channel based on integrity, being truthful, being honest, and I can only share what I know, what I've learned. So kung hindi ko siya na-experience, hindi ko siya talaga ma-address. But whatever I experience, I share it with all of you guys. As you can see, hindi rin ako naglalagay ng mga links sa comment section, like links na kung gusto mo mag-apply, punta ka sa loan app na to. I don't, guys. I don't add affiliate links dito sa aking website because some of these links, some of these companies work with creators para for every referral, whether pumasa man o hindi, yung creator na yan, nakakakuha po ng, I think, 50. Last time I got an offer from them. And para sa akin, no, I can't do that sa inyo. So, kung gusto nyo, kayong maghanap ng loan app na yan, apply at your own risk, but be sure na naaalala nyo whatever man yung natutunan nyo sa channel ko. So, I don't sell affiliate links kasi I don't want referrals. I just want you guys to learn and be independent. Like, makapag-decide kayo on your own. So, that's why I don't have links. Sa mga humihingi ng links, sa mga nagsasabi where to apply, no, I don't provide links at the bottom of my channel kasi I'm not into affiliate links sa mga loan apps na to. I can't do that to you guys. Kaya hindi po ako nag-promote ng mga loan apps, but what I am promoting here is learning how to examine or, suri ng mga loan apps para makapag-decide kung dapat ba natin itong gamitin o hindi. Iba na yung maingat, diba? So, I'm not promoting loan apps, but I'm promoting being careful. Doble ingat, diba? So, yun yung totoong promote dito. So, I don't know. Basta I'm just super happy. So, let's just continue with the unboxing para mapag-usapan na natin yung cellphone giveaway natin at the end. So, nabuksan ko na po yung box. Ito na yung flap. Medyo mabigat siya, guys. Kaya hindi ko na siya mabuhat now that the box is open. So, meron pa siyang a little thank you card. So, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. So, yes, this really means a lot to me. So, yung foam that protects it is now out of the way. So, next, meron pang letter. I'm so touched. Ang OA ko talaga, guys. I'm just very happy. So, your 100th or 100,000 or 100 subscribers, chances are you do. So I know that you definitely remember your 100 subscribers. Okay. Ayan, may letter po siya. Alam nyo, di ba, VA ako? So, yung nag-sign ng letter, kapangalan siya ng boss ko. Bossing, is that you? Ayan na, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Thank you so much for appreciating my hard work in this channel. I hope na appreciate you yung mga points na sinishare ko para matuto tayo. So, thank you so much talaga. And just seeing this, I don't know. 5 years ko, guys, pinaghirapan yung channel ko. I've done skincare reviews and I've also done, nag-try rin ako mag-travel vlog, but those were not successful. At parang hindi rin ako happy sa paggawa ng mga topics na yon. So, and finally, I have a niche kung saan alam ko talaga yung mga pinagsasasabi ko. So, thank you so much. I'm not very emotional, so don't expect me to cry. Basta, I'm just very happy and thank you so much for all this. And alam nyo, meron pang silica gel to keep the moisture away. And I'm really very thankful so much talaga sa supportan nyo dito sa channel ko. And gusto ko siyang titigan muna for 1 minute bago ko sabihin yung about sa ating cellphone giveaway. Alam nyo, guys, mas masaya pa ako nakatanggap ako ng ganito kaysa nakatanggap ako ng 3rd honorable mention nung nag-graduate ako ng high school. 3rd honor ako ng high school, guys, but I wasn't so happy. Iba talaga yung happiness ko dito. Mas happy ako, guys, na natanggap ko to kaysa sa nung medal ko nung high school. Presented to Ate Red for passing 100,000 subscribers. Ito na siya, guys. Ay, hindi. Anyways, so let's get that out of the way. So, now that we're 100,000 subscribers, official na talaga, hindi ko po nakalimutan yung promise ko sa inyo magsi-cellphone giveaway tayo. Of course, every week, 1,000 pa Gcash tayo. But, at the end of August, magsi-cellphone giveaway tayo. Bakit nahuli? Well, I have to be honest, guys. Enrollment kasi at binayaran ko po yung 2 years worth ng utang ko doon sa school ng mga kids. Nag-COVID kasi, I'm sure most of you nakaka-relate din. So, binayaran ko, guys. Priorities. Kaya nga, when we're dealing with utang, guys, know your priorities. Kaya nung nakaluwag, binayaran ko po yung 2 years worth ng utang namin sa school ng mga kids, and then pinag-enroll namin siya. And I'm just happy na nagawa ko yun. So, medyo delayed na po yung ating cellphone giveaway. But it is going to happen, and I will make that happen sa end ng month. Of course, dapat subscribe ka sa channel na to so hindi ka mahuli sa mga future announcements. But let's look at this one more time. Yun na, guys. Akala ko maliit. Ang laki niya pala. So, I'm gonna end this video right here. I am beyond grateful, and I hope hindi kayo magbago, guys. And I'll see you on my next regular vlog. Bye-bye!